on the floor at the CME Group. Todd, by the break, we talked about a free webinar you want to offer to producers, and we thank you for that. Tell us what this is coming up this Thursday. What are we going to find and hear from you?
This Thursday at 6 o'clock Central Time, because we're all farmers, we're in the Central Time Zone, we're going to be doing a webinar kind of talking about marketing plans and how to plan ahead for the year and really how to defend yourself. It's all information. I'm not selling anything. It's all free. I'm here. I want to help everybody. I want to give you a better idea of what to do going forward so that you can put yourself always in that best position to be successful and make the most out of what you're doing.
6 o'clock Central Time this Thursday. Go to BubbaTrading.com. You'll find an RFD-TV banner, he said there, and learn all about that seminar, webinar. All right, livestock trade. What do you think about the cattle trade here? Live cattle and feeder cattle, but we've seen here a little bit of run-up.
You know, I think we're going to see some more pressure here, Mark. You know, we reached our upper objectives, as you remember. Now, of course, we've switched months now. So now we're in May feeders and we're in June live cattle or fats. I think we're going to see a little bit more work to the downside. You know, again, I'm not bearish to these trades. I'm not looking to say, oh my God, we're going way down. I think from a technical standpoint, you want to let the work kind of take care of itself. And I think probably if you look at live cattle, you know, 124, 122, and then probably 120. I mean, I'd definitely be a looker at 122, but I think they have an outside chance to reach 120 basis June. So that's where I'd be looking right now. 124 is a real key spot here, and we're just kind of hovering, and we haven't had, over the last couple of weeks, we haven't had any real big action. We've had some movement, but nothing really explosive because the volume has been dwindling. Now, yesterday, on a quiet day in the markets, the volume actually picked up a little bit, so I'm looking to see a little selling follow through, and then in the feeders, the same thing. I think 152 to 150 is really where you're going to look to get in. 155 is really a very important level. If it holds here, this may be the bottom, but I think we probably have a little bit more work to do on the downside. But again, I'm looking for a space to get in. I'm not looking to get short. Very good, and that leaves us looking at the lean hog complex here, and we're still right around that $70 level here, $70.05. Matter of fact, as we sit in this channel yet another week. It is amazing, is it not? It's now going on, I think, about, we were still trading Feb and April at the time when this all started, and here we are, we're going to have a birthday party for, it just won't go anywhere. Again, it's going to make a move, and based on looking in the future, the move should be higher. Now, if this stalls out, the longer we go without it breaking to the upside, I think it then becomes a little bit of a problem, but that's not a problem right now if you're an owner because we're still hanging in these nice prices, but I think it wants to break higher, but it just hasn't had the opportunity. Now, maybe some of that will settle up with the economy and some other things, and we'll see some more buying come in. But right now, 69 to 72, until it does one way or the other, I'm going to watch. Very going to watch. All right, and we'll thank you for watching and listening and tuning in, and we appreciate our visits with you. Keep in touch, and we'll talk to you next week. Thank you, Mark. Have a great day. Thank you. Todd Horwitz, live from Chicago at BubbaTrading.com, learning about that free webinar coming up here this Thursday. Quick look at those few